If your gym bag is still in the back seat of your car from Monday, we need to talk. I've been there, and so have 80% of the people that quit their gym routine within the first 5 weeks. It's not your fault. Yeah, that's my gym bag. Don't judge. You're not lazy. Willpower isn't your problem. Your plan is. So today I'm going to show you the floor-to-ceiling method to fix your consistency for good. This is honest fitness for real people.
Hey, get off of my car,
Sorry, man.
punk.
Like most of us, you've fallen for the motivation trap. You've been told that results come from grinding and hustling and discipline and being motivated and, well, if you're depending on feeling like it at the end of a 9-hour workday, you've already lost. Motivation is a finite resource. Think of it like a battery. It eventually runs out. I'm Andrew, and this is Fit the Right Way. Today we are shifting the narrative. We're moving from that all or nothing scam to something that actually works, the long game. Think of habits like a room. You've got a ceiling and you've got a floor. Your habit ceiling is your perfect workout. It's heavy lifting, hard cardio, 10,000 steps, perfect nutrition, but you can't always do that every day. Life happens. The kids get sick, you get stuck in traffic, you're frustrated, you're just plain tired and exhausted at the end of your workday, and that's when you have to hit your floor. I just ran 3 miles this morning. That's a walk in the park for some people, but it's a lot for me. That's my fitness ceiling. Tomorrow, I'm hitting the floor. On those days, the ceiling feels impossible. And when you can't hit the ceiling, you feel like you can't do anything at all, so you give up. That's the trap. Hey, time travelers. This is me the next morning, literally hitting the floor. These are the clothes that I slept in, and I'm doing some easy yoga. The place is a mess, and there's cat toys everywhere. All right, into the Wayback Machine. Your habit floor could be as simple as putting on your gym clothes. Why? Because we are reprogramming ourselves into being people that do something every day, no matter how small. Be consistent. Do something. Even if you don't lift a single weight, you don't run a single meter. Put on your gym clothes. If you hit your floor, you're still in the game. You haven't quit. If you can relate to this, hit subscribe and drop a comment below about the one thing that's keeping you stuck. We're building a community of people that understand the long game. People that are in this for the next decade, not just the next week. What's been your biggest roadblock to staying consistent? Is it time? Is it stress? Are you just overwhelmed? Drop it in the comments. Your floor might be someone else's survival strategy. All right, let's get back to it. When your gym floor isn't an option, default to the protein first rule. That's your nutritional floor. Forget about eating clean and eating dirty. That's not a real thing. That's a moral judgment, and it's a distraction. Follow the protein first rule. If your day is a total wreck and you're eating on the go, just hit your nutritional floor. Try to get 20 to 30 grams of protein with every meal. It keeps your metabolism up, it keeps your cravings down, and it prevents sugar crashing that gets you on that binge eating cycle. This is your nutritional anchor. It's the difference between a failed day and a maintenance day. And on this channel, we don't quit. We just adjust the intensity to whatever you need to do to get through your day. It's a win. Just don't quit. Consistency isn't an accident. It's a design. It's a deliberate decision that you make. So every Sunday, spend 10 minutes or so mapping out the rest of your week. If Tuesday looks like a total disaster with meetings and travel or whatever it happens to be, don't plan your ceiling day for that day. Hit your floor. Just keep going. Just pre-decide that Tuesday is going to be a floor day. This removes something called decision fatigue. You don't have to ask yourself, am I going to go to the gym on Tuesday? You already know the answer. No, Tuesday is my floor day. This removes all the guilt and keeps you moving forward. Stop relying on motivation. Motivation is a feeling, and feelings fade. Rely on your floor. Because at the end of the day, results come from what you actually do, not from what you think you should have done. You're not lazy. You're just learning a new skill. And that takes practice. If you're ready to tear down some more lies, watch this next video where I debunk the 5 biggest myths that are sabotaging your progress. And like and subscribe if you're ready to join the community of people who are playing the long game, because we're in this to win it. See you there.